Hello, welcome back to Joshi Tutorials. See, this is 3.2 exercise, continuation of 3.2 exercise 3.2, fourth main. Now, this fourth main consisting of four sums 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, out of which what I felt is third and fourth I will do it. First and second you have to do it, right? So, what the question says, which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? So, first of all we have to see whether the given pair of linear equations are they consistent or are they inconsistent. We have to prove it first. Then this is second part of the question is, if consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Among four, some may be consistent, some may not be consistent. We have to prove it first whether they are consistent or no. If the linear equation, given linear pair of equations, they are not consistent, no need to go for the solution, right? Okay, if they are consistent, then graphically, means we have to frame the table, find out the coordinates of the x and y, then plot the graph. Graphically, you have to find the solution, right? Hope the question is clear to you people. So what I do now, third and fourth only I will solve them. First and second, the same method you have to adapt to solve it and obtain the solution if at all they are consistent. If not, just see and prove they are not consistent, they are inconsistent. Leave that statement, write that statement and leave off. That much only is your answer. Okay, see here. Example. The third one I am going to take. Third one. Right? Let us prove whether they are consistent. Now equation 1 and equation 2. What we do here? A1 by A2. What is A1? Coefficient of the first term, that is 2. What is A2? A2 is the coefficient of the first term of the second equation, that is 4. Here, 2 ones are 2 2s are. What's our answer? Half. So A1 by A2 is half. Let's go for B1 by B2. So B1 by B2 is equal to, what is B1? Nothing is there means 1. That means here it is 1 divided by, what is B2? Minus 2. That means this is minus 2. Transpose this minus to numerator. That means it is minus 1 by 2. You see here 1 by 2 and here it is minus 1 by 2. That means A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So according to the tabulated format which you have studied in the textbook, if the ratio A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then what happens? The lines of the equations are intersecting. They are intersecting lines, therefore they are consistent. Therefore they are consistent. See here, ratios are not equal. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore the given equations are, they are intersecting lines. Since they are intersecting lines, the equations are consistent. If consistent, go for the graphical solution, right? You have to obtain the solution means what? Find the x and y values, graphical method, by graphically. So consistent. Now what we have to do? We have to simplify the equations over here. First I will frame the table, right? So okay, first equation, what is it? 2x plus y. This minus 6, okay, I'll write it as it is now, is equal to 0. Now, y is equal to, what happens? Y is equal to, this 6 will go to that side, it becomes plus 6. This plus will become minus 2x. So, this is what is our equation for calculating the coordinates of x and y and framing the table. Okay. So, here I will write x and y table, right? So, let us consider y is equal to 6 minus 2, let the x value be 0. So x value 0. What will be the y value here? 2 zeros are 0. So our first value is 6. Right? Y value corresponding y coordinates when x is 0, it is y is 6. Okay, next one. Y is equal to 6 minus 2. Let me take it as 2. X value you have to assume I said. So 2 into 2. What is the answer? 2 2s are 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. That means this is also 2. Right? Okay. Now let us assume 6. Here I will take as 3. What is our x value? 3. Okay, 6. Minus 2 into 3. 6. Here see. 6 minus 2 into 3 is again 6. So minus 6 plus 6 becomes 0. That means y is 0. So these three values are enough. Right? This is of equation 1. What I do? I will go for second equation. That is 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Let me simplify this one. That means take out 2 common. 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Send this 2 to that side. 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 divided by 2. Next equation becomes 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. That means, see here, this equation is 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. I have repeated here. Now I will place, because we have taken in the first equation y is equal to subject of the equation, here it is y. Therefore, even the second equation subject has to be kept in y only, as y only. So y when you send to RHS it becomes plus. So 2x minus 2 is equal to your y, that is nothing but, or y is equal to 2x minus 2. This is what is your equation for calculation purpose. So let me place the table 2, x and y here. Right. So this is what is the equation here. The first equation here it is 2x. This is of 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now this is what is second equation. Second equation is 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now let us calculate. Y is equal to, let me take x as 0. X as 0. That means 2 into 0. X value is 0 minus 2. This whole thing becomes 0. That means the answer here is y is equal to minus 2. That means here it is minus 2. First coordinate. Okay, second one. Y is equal to 2 into, let me take the x value as 1. What is it? Let me assume x is equal to 1. That means 1, here it is minus 2. So y is equal to 2 ones are 2, plus 2 minus 2 cancels, answer is 0. That means here y value, corresponding y value is 0. Now you have to assume one more x value, right? That means here y is equal to 2 into, let me take it as here 2. That means 2 minus 2. 2, x value is 2 and minus 2 is equation. So minus here 2 2s are 4 minus 2, our answer is 2. That means here it is 2. Understood? Greater number is having plus sign, isn't it? Now the table 1 is ready, table 1 and 2 both are ready. Note this point, clearly just observe it, note. Then what I do, I'll rub off all these things, keep only these two tables, then plot the graph and obtain the solution graphically. Note please. Okay, see here. Table, this is second equation table, second equation, first equation. I have simplified here. 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. This I have simplified by taking 2 common. You have seen that already. So I written 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is the first equation and this is the second equation. You see, this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Okay, see here. What is x value? 0. I told you already while preparing for the plotting of the graph, the x-axis and y-axis, how to draw means maximum x side here in both the tables is 3. This is 3 here. Here 2. That means if I draw 3, 2 will be covered. So what is the minus side? There is no minus side coordinate for the x-axis. Now y is equal to maximum plus side coordinate is 6, minus side coordinate is 2. That means 6 on the plus side, minus 2 on the negative side, and 1 extra I have drawn it. Now let us plot. Okay. What is the value here? First table, first equation, 0 and 6. X is 0 and y is 6. That means this is where your point lies. 2 and 2, both are plus. 2 and 2. So here is your point. Next one is 3 and 0. What is 3? X is 3. That means 3. And what is y? Y is 0. That means exactly here. On 3 itself. Now you have to join this line. Take a scale and join. I told you that is use a 1 foot 12 inch scale, bigger one, so that your line will be straight enough. Okay, this is what is our first equation, right? First equation. What is the first equation here? 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. What is the coordinate here? X coordinate is 0. Same thing you can write it out. Here, x coordinate is 0. That means right here. 0 and 6. This part. And what is here? 2 and 2. So here it is 2 and 2. And what is next here? 3 and 0. That means this is 3 and 0. Right. We'll go for second. Table 2, equation 2. X is 0, y is minus 2. That means x is 0, y is minus 2. Here is your first point. Next one, x is 1 and y is 0. X is 1, y is 0. This where is your next point. Now both are 2. That means positive values. X is also 2, y is also 2. This is your third point. That means 1, 2. Okay, see here. First point, second point, third point. Now we have to join it. Right? So this is what is your little bit you extend so that you can write the equation. What is your equation here? 2x, or you can write even this also. Equation 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. You can even write here or write that 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So there will be no confusion. This is simplified and this is an obtained equation when you simplify this. So this is what the equation. Now coordination is already written 2 and 2. Here is what? Just write it, or even here below also you can write it. This coordinate and this you can write here. Here it is 1. Next 1 and 0. That means this is 1 and 0. And here it is what? Last one is 0 and minus 2. First one. Here x is 0. Sorry. X is 0 and this is minus 2. So y is minus 2. 0 and minus 2. 1, 2 and 3 coordinates. These are the two equations. Now the point of intersection here it is 2 and 2. Both the graph lines intersect at x-axis, on x-axis 2 and on y-axis 2. That means what is your answer? Answer is therefore graphically you have to find the solution, isn't it? So you have to write solution x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. This is what is your answer. Right? You can even verify these answers. You can verify this answer. So verification step also for this particular sum I will do, not for all, just for your confirmation point of view. Right? Verification. You can verify. When there is a difference between your answer and the textbook answer, you can just cross check it by verification method. Okay, what is it? Verification is first equation 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. When you put the y value and x value here, you should get 0. That means 2 into 2 plus 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. This is minus 6. So what is it? 0 is equal to 0. That means what? LHS is equal to RHS. Even the second equation, you can take this equation or this. Both should be same. So second is what? 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. So 4 into 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. 4 2s are 8. Here 2 2s are 4 and this is minus 4 is equal to 0. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. That means what happened here? 0 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. So verification step is clear. Now you have verified for both, right? Now even this is graphically you have found it out. By elimination method also you try, then also you will get x and y value as 2 only. They are not asked, we have not done it. So this is what, please note of it, and then I will go for next. Here ends the fourth main. You have to do first and second homework. Okay? Right. Okay, see here. One more, I told you no. Two sums I will do. That is third and fourth. Third we have proved already and done it. Now fourth one, first we have to prove whether it is consistent or no. If it is consistent, same method we have to follow. Go for graphical method to find the solution. Now let us see here, the fourth one. So this is what is the fourth one. Solution. Right. What is A1? Find the first ratios. A1 value is 2 and A2 value is 4. That means 2 1s are 2 2s are. So here it is 1 by 2. A1 by A2 value. Go for B1 by B2. B1 by B2 is equal to, what is B1? Minus 2. What is B2? Minus 4. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. That means here sign convention rule you have to apply. Minus into minus plus. So this is again plus 1 half. Right? What is C1 by C2? C1 by C2. Minus 2 upon minus 5. That means it is, both are minus, it is 2 by 5. Right? So see the here equation. A1 by A2 is not equal to, equal to. A1 by A2 is half, B1 by B2 is again half. That means is equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. See here, C1 by C2 value is different. You can refer the table. When A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, that means the lines, therefore you can write, therefore the lines are parallel. So what is it? Lines are parallel, therefore equations are inconsistent. So when equations are inconsistent, no need to go for solution graphically, finding out the solution. If consistent only they have given, that means this is what is your final answer, inconsistent. So third one I have done, fourth one I have finished. Now I will go for fifth main.